In any painting, depth is the main important thing that we want to create in terms of 3 dimensions. So this is one of those paintings. Again, I've done lots of paintings on my channel, but this is one of those paintings again to show the depth. Far away mountain, little bit smaller in nature, but actually the color, the applications as you come forward in the foreground, as well as some of the reflections. One thing I want to just mention here is at the end, actually my recording device battery died, so that particular reflection is not there. There are lots of videos where I've done reflections. You can go back and check those videos, but it's a very simple one. So same sky and then little bit of the mountain side and then one tree reflection, nothing much. So apart from that, concentrate on the colors, the way I've applied mainly the contour of the land, because if I wanted it to be straight, then I could have reduced the horizon straight. In the sense, horizon is already straight, but the slanting mountain could have been straight, aligned with the horizon itself. So concentrate on the brush strokes, the contour, and the small details on the mountain that I've actually applied. I've used burnt umber. You can use burnt sienna as well. Depending on that, change your colors and try to follow along and paint this beautiful landscape. Let's get started.